For healthcare employers, it's no secret, filling nursing assistant positions is a constant challenge. It often feels like as soon as a CNA role is filled, you are back trying to staff the exact same position. Given these challenges, healthcare providers and workforce agencies need to find a faster and cheaper way to train and hire quality certified nursing assistants. MedCerts Partner Solutions created a CNA program specifically to address those frustrations. Help your current employees upskill to become CNAs with our interactive and comprehensive online programs. Recruit and onboard new CNAs with confidence. Setting up a CNA program with MedCerts has advantages over using a local school. Partner with MedCerts to elevate your CNA workforce and enhance patient care. Our program will prepare students in 9 weeks with nominal cost and a dedication of 15 to 20 hours a week. Students learn from experienced professionals to help them develop the skills to take their career to the next level. Our courses utilize the MedCerts 12 elements of e-learning, leveraging 3D animation and illustrations to make learning fun and engaging. The Certified Nursing Assistant program is especially relevant for healthcare teams and supporting workforce solutions with staffing needs at hospitals, nursing homes, assisted living facilities, long-term care solutions, and traveling CNA agencies.